So what's up everyone, hope you are fine now friends. In this video once again we are talking about the Bittorrent token. In this video I'm present with the latest update of the Bittorrent, so keep watching this video till the end friends. And if you are a holder, so absolutely this video going to be very special for all of you friends. Anyways, before starting the interesting video, I request everyone to please subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos friends. Now friends, so friends, if you look the current price of the Bittorrent token BTT in the market, so you can see here 0.003864 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the BTT token in the market friends. Now on the other side, if you look the price changes occurs in the BTT Bitcoin token, so you can see here that the last 1 hour, last 1 day and last 1 week price changes occurs in the BTT as going down friends. As you know, if you are a holder, so you already know that the price of the Bitcoin token is going down from the previous last 1 week, and now currently the price of the BTT is also in the falling mode friends. So now at this time they have no idea to take a jump in the future. Anyways, we talk about the price changes occur, but now let's discuss the currently people hoarders mistake friends at this time friends. A lot of people personally message me on Instagram or Telegram that what should we do as it is time to buy, sell or hold Bitcoin tokens. So finally for those people, my suggestion is that now, as you know, in this time the currently last 1 week the Bitcoin token price is also in the negative from the previous last 1 week. So friends, if you decide to sell Bitcoin token at this time, so absolutely you are in the loss friends, because the price changes occurs in the BTT and the last 1 week as negative friends. As you can see here, that is the last 1 month price chart, and as you can see here that the last 1 month price chart is negative, so that's clear that you are in the loss friends. So if you decide to sell, so you are in the loss, and if you decide to hold BTT token, so I think maybe there is a chances to they take a jump in the future, so you are in the profit. If you hold, there is chances to they take a jump friends, and if you decide to sell at this time, so absolutely you are in the loss friends. Anyways, as you can see here, as I told you, that is the last 1 month price chart. At the start they gradually start moving upward, but as you can see here from the previous last 2 week the price of the BTT has continuously fast down, and now at this time friends, remember that at this time they have no idea to take a jump friends. My prediction about BTT token is that after a few hours, after a 1 day or 2 days, there is again chances to they again take a jump friends. Now currently I think they have no idea to take a jump friends. So now this time you have to hold, you have to patience for the big pump, for the big jump of the BTT token friends. Anyways, if we look the last 1 month price changes occurred negative 31.46% price changes occurred in the BTT, and the highest price is 0.00907 USD dollar is the highest price of Bittorrent token and the last 1 month friends. Anyways, what's your opinion, what's your prediction about BTT? Please share in the comment box, and again I request everyone to please subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates video.